Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool setup here with a GE 6.0, and it has the 3 handsets. Normally we only get in the base and 1 handset. In this case we have all 3 handsets, and this is Richard's equipment from Washington, and this is the GE 6.0 with a model number 27909EE1-A. And so Richard's having an issue with all 3 handsets. People cannot hear him when they're talking to them on the telephone. So he can hear whoever he's talking to, but they cannot hear him. And that's with all 3 handsets. We have all 3 handsets apart because this is the initial checkout of these telephones. And so what we want to do is start our troubleshooting process. And I have them apart so you can get a look at what they look like if you've never seen the inside of one of these handsets when it's apart. And we want to start our troubleshooting. We want to go ahead and get these 3 handsets repaired for Richard. And so now what we're going to do is take a short break. We're going to go ahead and start working on them, and we'll come back and get some more video as soon as we move forward in the repair of these 3 handsets. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these handsets. So now what we want to do is we want to start our final checks. And we're going to check each individual handset, and we're going to use the analyzer, and we're going to dial out and test everything. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and ring the unit. We're answering the base first. I'm going to let that go one more time. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We're going to go ahead and dial our numbers. We're going to end in a 2. I want to transmit into the handset now. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Okay, so we know that that unit is working properly. Let's go ahead and try the middle unit. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll dial out with this unit. We're going to end in a 2. Same thing, I want to transmit into this unit. If you watch this red light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this unit, we'll go ahead and hang that up, is also working. We want to try our 3rd unit. I'm going to give you some dial tone. We'll dial out with it. If you watch the analyzer, I'm going to end in a 2. I'm going to transmit into the handset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this unit is working also. So now what we can do is I have a button on the switch box here, and when I press that, that totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. And so basically they're having issues with their equipment. You'll hear the recording start, you'll hear a hum, and then the recording will continue. That's on their end, has nothing to do with us. So we'll go ahead and make that call, give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, September Time is 3:09. Current temperature 101 degrees.
Mostly sunny today with highs in the 80s. Mostly clear this evening. Lows around 60. Mostly sunny Wednesday. Highs in the mid-80s.
We'll go ahead and hang up. Now, when we were using the analyzer to test each unit, this base unit, you have to pick the handset up and hit the talk button. The other two units, when you get a call, you can simply pick them up and dial tone, or the party that called you will already be on the telephone because you do not have to access the talk button. Now, you can change that in the menu of the handsets. You can put auto answer, so that means when you pick up the handset, they'll automatically be there. It's an automatic answer. Or you can set it up to where you basically manually have to press the talk button when you're answering the phone. So we also set each hand up for tone. When they came in, each handset was set up for pulse, and we want them on tone. So that was set to tone, the option tone. Now what we want to do is use another handset, give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We can hang that unit up. We'll use the third unit, do the same thing. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Go ahead and hang up. And now that we know that these three units have been repaired, we can return them to Richard and he can enjoy these telephones again. These GE 6.0 cordless telephones are very sought after. They don't make them anymore, and people found out that after they got them, they really liked them and the way that they were designed, and they're very hard to come by now. You can't hardly find them, and when you do, they want a whole lot of money for them. So that's why customers like to have them repaired. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.